Dear students, today I will discuss with you some important MCQ from the chapter Chemical Kinetics. First question, for the reaction glucose plus hydrogen giving C6H14O6. Okay, which one of the following is not affected by the addition of catalyst? Okay, so these are choices given. Okay, out of the choice, spontaneity, it is not affected. Okay, rate of forward reaction affected, rate of backward reaction affected, time required to reach the equilibrium affected by using the catalyst, but spontaneity is not affected. So choice D is the correct answer. Next, a chemical reaction process into the following steps. Step 1, 2A X, which is fast reaction. Step 2, X plus B giving Y, it is slow reaction. Step 3, Y plus B giving the product, which is fast. So the rate law for the overall reaction is what? Okay, the rate law for the overall reaction is what? You see, Kc, question number 2, Kc is equal to X concentration by A concentration square. Okay, therefore X concentration is equal to Kc multiplied A square. Okay, slow rate law, okay, that is R is equal to K X concentration and B concentration. It is slow reaction. Okay, so which is, so what is X? X is this one. So Kc, you put A to B. Okay, so Kc and K, you take it as K. Okay, so K. Okay, Kc and K, you take it K. So rate is equal to K A to B. Okay, so which is D. Rate is equal to K A to B. Third question, half-life of radioactive C carbon 14 is 5760 years, 5760 years. In how many years 200 milligram of C14 will be reduced to 25 milligram? Okay, you see, question number 3. Here what to do, you say of radioactive C14 is 5760 years. In how many years 200 milligram of C14 will be reduced to 25 milligram? Do you take 200 milligram? So its half-life period, its half-life means half 100. Okay, so 5760. Then again half in 5760 years, so you take 50. Then again it will reduce to 25, that is 5760. So 5760 multiplied 3, this much you will get. So in this way, it is in a common manner, but formula, if you put the formula, half-life period, half-life radioactive is this much, in how many years 200 milligram will reduce to 25 milligram. So you take this K is equal to 2.303 by T log, this is your 200 milligram reduced to 25 milligram. Okay, so you take 2.303 by T log 8. Okay, log 8 means you take 2.303 by t 3 log 2. Okay, so another way, k is your half left 0963. Okay, you take and by half. Okay, so this is your half 5760 years. 0.693 0.693 divided 5760. So put this k value here. Okay, so 0.693 by 5760. When you put, you will get the t value. Okay, so this is 17280. Next, a chemical reaction is catalyzed by a catalyst X. Hence X is what? You see, does not affect equilibrium constant of reaction. Okay, so choice B is the correct answer. Does not affect equilibrium constant of reaction. Next, question number 5. The given reaction 2FeCl3 plus SnCl2 giving 2FeCl2 plus SnCl4 is an example of what? What order reaction? It is what type of reaction? Okay, so you see, generally here the number of molecules taking, this is 2 molecule and this is 1 molecule. So it is third order reaction. Okay, the molecularity, it is third order reaction. The choice A is the correct answer. Next, the experimental data for the reaction 2A plus B2 giving 2AB. Okay, so these are the data given. A concentration, B concentration is given, and this is rate constant. So from this data you know, so when A doubles, you see, when A doubles here A doubles. Okay, here A doubles or here A doubles. Okay, are independent of, it is independent of rate. It remains constant. Okay, so with respect to A, it is zero order. With respect to A, it is zero order reaction. Okay, when V doubles, you see, when B doubles, here B doubles, B concentration doubles. Okay, when B doubles, rate also doubles. Rate doubles. When B doubles, rate doubles. Okay, so with respect to B, the order of reaction is first order. It is a first order. Okay, so therefore you will write in what way? You will write the rate is equal to C, choice C, rate is equal to K B2. So this you have to write this. Okay, next question. Question number 7. Okay, so lambda is equal to K is equal to 2.31 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, so for first order reaction, it is for first order reaction. Okay, first order reaction. The T half is equal to 0.693 by 2.31 multiplied 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, so you will get 3 multiplied 10 to the power your 3 years. So choice B is the correct answer. Okay, next, a 300 gram radioactive sample has a half life of 3 hours. After 18 hours, remaining quantity will be what? Okay, the choice You take 300 gram radioactive sample has a half-life 3 hours after 18 hours. So 18 divided 3. This is your what? 18 divided 3. 6. So half the power 6 you take. Half the power 6. That is, you take 300 multiplied 1 by 64. Okay, so it will remain 4.68 gram. 4.68 grams. So choice A is the correct answer. Okay students, have a good day.